In this session, we will be learning how to make a job using different lathe accessories, namely driving plate, steady rest, dog carrier and different centers. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the lathe accessories, set the job in between centers using driving plate and set the steady rest to support lengthy job.
Let us get started by learning about the lathe accessories. The lathe accessories are machined, independent units supplied with the lathe. The accessories are essential for the full utilization of the lathe. The accessories can be grouped into work holding accessories and work supporting accessories. Let us have a detailed look at the work holding accessories. The work can be directly mounted on these accessories and held. The accessories are 4-jaw independent chuck, 3-jaw self-centering chuck, face plates, and lathe mandrels. Now let us have a look at the work supporting accessories. These accessories do not hold the work themselves. They support the work. The work supporting accessories are catch plate, designed with a U-slot and an elliptical slot to accommodate the bent tail of the lathe carrier. Driving plate, designed with a projected pin which locates the straight tail of the lathe carrier. Lathe centers, lathe or dog carriers, lathe fixed steady and lathe traveling steady. A steady rest is a lathe accessory used to give extra support for a long slender workpiece in addition to the center support during turning. The most common types of steady rests are fixed steady rest and followed steady rest, also known as traveling steady. A fixed steady rest is fixed to the lathe bed and it is stationary. It gives support at one fixed place only. It consists of a frame containing 3 adjustable pads. A follower steady is fixed to the saddle of the lathe. As it follows the tool, it gives support where cutting actually takes place. In the follower steady, the support is continuous to the entire length of cutting. The follower steady rest usually has 2 pads. One pad is located opposite to the cutting tool and the other pad bears the top of the workpiece to prevent it from springing up. If the job shape is not round or where we cannot turn a true cylindrical surface on the job, it is not possible to support the job by a fixed steady rest. For those types of jobs, a device called cat head is fixed on the workpiece. The cat head is a type of bush. Its external surface is round. The middle portion is cylindrical and free to rotate. The 2 ends have the adjusting screws for holding and centering the work. After centering the work, the fixed steady is positioned and pads are adjusted to hold the cat head's center portion. When the lathe is running, the work revolves along with the ends of the cat head, whereas the center portion is stationary. Here is another type of cat head which is a single piece and it rotates along with the job. The work is clamped firmly in the lathe carrier. It consists of a cast iron or forged steel body and a clamping screw. It is designed with a straight or bent tail. It is available in a set of 10, capable of accommodating work of a wide range of diameters. The tails of the carriers are meant to locate and drive the workpiece for turning. To protect the finished surface from damages, a soft metal packing piece is used under the clamping screw. The purpose of a lathe carrier or lathe dog is mainly to hold the work and provide rotation by transferring the power from the spindle using special attachment. It is used to drive the work during turning between centers. It is also used for taper turning and threading. There are 4 types of lathe carriers. Straight tail carrier locates against the driving pin of the driving plate and provides a positive drive for the workpiece. Bent tail carrier engages into a U slot of the catch plate and drives the workpiece. Clamp type carrier is designed with a clamping plate and adjustable screws. It holds a wide range of diameters of work because it is provided with a V-groove, adjustable bolts and nuts. And safety clamp type carrier is designed with safety top and bottom clamping plates. These plates provide a positive grip of the work during turning. Lathe Centre is used to support a lengthy work to carry out lathe operations. When a work is held in a chuck, the center is assembled to the tailstock and it supports the overhanging end of the work. The work is to be provided with a center drilled hole on the face of the overhanging end. When the job is held in between centers to carry out the operation, it functions together with a driving plate and a suitable lathe carrier. The center, which is accommodated in the main spindle sleeve, is known as a dead center, and the center fixed in the tailstock spindle is known as a live center. In construction, both centers are identical, made as one unit that consists of a conical point of 60 degrees included angle, a body provided with a Morse taper shank and a tang. The dead center is made of high carbon steel, hardened and ground, whereas the live center need not have its conical tip hardened as it revolves with the work. A good lubricant should be used for the dead center. Let us have a look at the most widely used types of lathe centers, their illustrations and their specific uses. They are ordinary center common type, half center, tipped center, ball center, pipe center, revolving center, insert type center, self-driving live center, female center, and swivel V center. A microset adjustable center fitted into the tailstock spindle provides a fast and accurate method of aligning lathe centers. Some of these centers contain an eccentric, others contain a dovetail slide which permits slight adjustment of the center itself to correct alignment. Now let us see how to set the job in between centers using driving plate and set the steady rest to support lengthy job. To do this, you need the following raw material: driving plate, cat head, lathe or dog carrier, cutting tools, measuring tools, spanner set, and grease. The job sequence is as follows. Check the raw material size. Hold the job outside face and center drill on face. Reverse the job, repeat the same by correcting total length. Dismantle the check from lane spindle and fix driving plate on spindle. Mount live center and dead center. Attach a follower steady on saddle. Hold the work in between centers by using a suitable carrier. Support the job by follower steady. Apply grease on the touching pads of steady. Check the alignment between two centers by giving trial cut. Turn a 40 mm in maximum possible length. Chamfer the end to by 45 degrees. Reverse the job. Turn 40 mm in remaining length. Chamfer the end to by 45 degrees. Reverse the job. Turn 40 mm in remaining length. Chamfer the end to by 45 degrees. Check the dimensions as per drawing.
We have reached the end of this session on make a job using different lathe accessories, namely driving plate, steady rest, dog carrier and different centers. By now, you should be able to know the lathe accessories, set the job in between centers using driving plate and set the steady rest to support lengthy job.